Oh, dear God.
Right there.
Oh. Yep, there's something there.
And your super jam right there.
Yeah, I told you. I think I'm just used to it at this point.
Right? Just numb to it.
Well, not numb to it right now. Is that normal?
What's that?
That like...
Like this, so give me the sassiest if you got. Pull this elbow back.
Pull back?
Pull real hard. There.
Oh my God, that was so weird.
All right, this hand's gonna go like that, raise the roof. I'm gonna go right in here. So in case you were already feeling anxious and sweaty, we're gonna make sure that's a little worse now. So bring that elbow down.
Cool. Bring the elbow down?
Yep, and raise it up, and down,
Oh.
and again, and down, and again, and down. Strange, and up. Ah, right there is really tight.
Yeah.
Keep going. So she's right levator scap and left upper cervical.
Yeah, ow.
Like I was saying earlier, you have so we're gonna hook right in here and right here. Okay, and look up a little bit, and look down now.
Oh my God. 5 different spots cracked at the same time.
So shake that out a little bit, see if that feels good there.
Oh yeah, shake
No,
it.
it's good.
Shake
That's
it.
better on the upper back.
I'm still breathing.
All right. Right there's the spot.
Mm-hmm.
And up there. All right, let's clear this one first. So we're gonna come right around here. And drop that right shoulder down just a little bit.
Oh, dear God. That was really weird. It didn't hurt, but that was super.
Here, and this one's gonna go right there.
Oh my God. What was that? Was that normal? That was like 30 cracks.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
100%.
I was like a little pop at first, and I was like, oh, that's great. And then he was like, just kidding.
It's like at the fireworks show. It's like, there's one. Oh, grand finale.
That's weird. I feel like.
Head should feel lighter now.
I feel more relaxed for sure. That's
that correct?
really weird. There's more?
There's more.
But wait.
Wait, there's more.
It can't get weirder than the neck.
Go. And I got some ribs out right here. You can see them.
What do you mean? What does that mean?
What do you mean? It means you're twisted. Like Keith Sweat. There we go.
Totally normal.
Take a deep breath, and that should feel like lighter right there. And then you raise the whole thing up. But keep the knee straight. There we go.
Oh.
And then switch sides. Yeah.
That was, I don't know how that happened. That's so weird. It's weird because I don't know.
I don't feel twisted.
Yeah, I don't feel that weird normally.
I don't feel weird.
It's probably the only time you're allowed to get hammered in this gym.
Yeah. Are we just breaking my hip?
Yeah. Breaking it all up. All right, raise that leg up again.
Oh, cool. We're just breaking that.
Okay, other side now. Oh, this is the same thing.
I don't know what you're
There's a
saying.
muscle right there. It's super tight.
Why is he trying to murder me?
Right.
Send for help!
Gracilla's. Where's your team, man? They all just ran off and left you here. Someone help. She's like, woosah, woosah, woosah.
Oh my God, that hurts so
That's
much.
the one.
I think I'm actually crying now.
Laughing or crying?
Both.
Combination. All right. Look, I'm going.
What? What? Still hurts.
That's right there now.
Oh, but it's just moving?
Yeah, it's moving.
It's just moving.
It attaches to your knee, so.
Yeah, that feels like with me.
I call it the fake hamstring.
Oh.
All the way up.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, better.
I think I'm like officially, like legit sweating now.
Push that knee down and relax it. And push down and relax it. And push and relax. There we go. All right, raise it up again. I think the rotation is at the L5 area. Okay. Okay, and now the right side. Okay, now we're even.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Now we're even.
Don't mind all my nervous sweat.
I'm gonna slide all the way up.
It's normal.
We call that glowing. I
Yeah.
don't know what industry you've been hanging out in, but this one goes here. Now we'll pull this arm out. Give yourself a big hug right there, and then we'll bring it all the way over.
Oh no.
There we go. And then the other way. Go right there, same thing.
Sorry, I'm doing it wrong. Oh.
Almost.
Oh!
Perfect. Okay, lay on your back. Let's see what we got here. And face that way for me.
This is like a whole thing. How long does this usually take? When people aren't complaining.
When they're not complaining, 20 minutes. When they're really complaining, an hour and a half.
Oh my god.
Take that arm and reach back all the way. Keep going back. Keep going back. Keep going back. Keep going back. A little further. A little further.
There you are. I was
Other
like
side.
screaming for help a few minutes ago.
She needed backup. She was all by herself. Keep going. Help! Somebody help! Keep going. Good. All right. Then we're gonna clear this one out.
God, I should get this done more often.
Yeah, or roll out. Either way. You just do a cross ball here too. But I'll be in charge. I like this is a good defense tactic. She's like vulturing to get the scapula forward.
Vulturing?
Yeah, it's like
Vulturing?
yeah, it's vulturing. You know about vulturing?
I've never heard about
Yeah,
vulturing
yeah.
before.
Might be a prison term.
Prison term.
That's how I learned about keystering. From the movie with Will Ferrell.
Oh, okay.
This is like definitely pressure points. Can you do the thing and you just like jab somebody and I like fall asleep?
Yeah, absolutely. Learned that one from Dog Whisperer.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Shrug, 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 shrug. Shrug, 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 shrug. Shrug, shrug, shrug.
I'm trying to breathe. That's like the only thing I
Breathe
can
through
do
it,
right
breathe
now.
through it. Woosah, woosah. There we go. Let's see. You're good there.
I am hyperextended elbows. So I
Yeah.
don't know.
Yeah, pretty solid. All right, stand up, shake it out.
I hope I can work out after this. Now I feel like
Got me.
I don't even know myself anymore.
Who even am I anymore? Who are you? Who are you?
Well, I seriously feel so different.
There we go. Survive.
So weird. I'm done.
Done.